Kainan na!
The escalation of the past few weeks is contemplated.
אנחנו מכירים את ההשלכות של מלחמה, את החיילים ההרוגים, אזרחים שהתפצלו ואזורים שלמים שלא היו, אבל אנחנו מכירים את ההשלכות, אם לא תהיה מלחמה. בשבילי באוקטובר יהיה כולם.
In these rooms, many views apply. Should be willing to stay here for another year. Israel to create a permanent buffer zone.
Inside Lebanon, our IDF will be there and guide us. Do you still think that there can be peace? No, before we started. I believe that we can live in coexistence, side by side, and not bother each other. And after one thing changed, I no longer can see how we can make peace with them.
Without peace, another generation fell through. In Jerusalem, 45 SBS reporters.
Sarap ng tuyo.
Monday marks the first anniversary.
Pwede ba sa'yo yan, tuyo?
October 7th, Hamas attacks on Israel and the kidnapping of 251 hostages. Over the next few days, SBS News will be looking back at those events and how the last 12 months have unfolded in the Middle East. Tonight we focus on Israel's hostage crisis. So far, 117 hostages have been released, 8 have been rescued, and 37 bodies were recovered. 134 remain. Of those, Israel says 64 are still alive, including 6 Thai nationals and 1 person from Nepal. 2 Israeli children are also still in Gaza, although Hamas says they're dead. And a warning, the story contains distressing images.
This is Nama Levy, seen here on October 7th, her hands tied behind her back as Hamas fighters bundled her into a jeep. Video of the then 19-year-old's capture going viral on social media. Figures vary, but Israel says 251 people were abducted during the unprecedented Hamas attack. Israel says 134 remain. Of those, 64 are alive, and at least 37 bodies are confirmed to have been recovered by Israel, taken from several locations bordering Gaza. Many were in kibbutzes. Others abducted while attending the Supernova Music Festival, and some working as military personnel. 2 Americans, a mother and a daughter, to be freed on October 22, facilitated by the Red Cross and US government.
It's okay, let's go. It's okay.
2 days later, and 2 elderly Israeli hostages were freed.
Pwede.
Into the conflict, a temporary ceasefire agreement allowed for a series of prisoner exchanges, which saw 105 hostages freed, including 78 women and children, in return for 240 Palestinian prisoners held in Israeli jails. Hamid Susana released in the last group. Her abduction caught on video, showing her fighting back.
I was raised that they're gonna rape me there and that they're gonna drag me through Gaza streets and parade my body around. So I fear that more than being killed.
Ano na ako pala sa YouTube, Facebook, earn money. Earn money.
Palestinians were killed.
Earn money na ako.
Hostages are being held underground. 4 of those
Ano
freed in
yung
what the
meta?
IDF called a
Kahit wala pa ka palang
satellite
crystal
operation
cam,
in
pwede yan
June.
mag-earn. Depende sa ano ng meta.
Saan?
The
Star.
overnight raid in the southern city of Rafah in February freed 2 Israeli men
Sabi ko yung sa Star
sleeping
na
in a
malalago.
second-floor apartment. Gaza's health ministry says 67 Palestinians were killed in that operation. It doesn't distinguish between civilians and militants. A Bedouin man was rescued after 326 days, while the IDF were combing a network of tunnels. In December last year, Israel mistakenly shot dead 3 hostages in northern Gaza who had escaped.
May part siguro matigas.
Dozens of hostages
Ba't sa akin
have
hindi?
been killed in airstrikes.
Saan ba mo
The
siguro
bodies of
may
2
matigas?
women and 4 men were recovered by the IDF
Hindi,
last
crunchy.
month, who say they were brutally
May
murdered,
part na ganun.
shot in the head.
Crunchy siya.
Among the
Hindi naman kagaya nung
23-year-old
Toyota na
Kurdish
galing sa
Kurd,
Pilipinas,
whose parents had
na
long
bagong bilad.
campaigned for his release.
Ano to eh?
Okay, sweet
Ha?
boy, go now on your journey.
Yung tawag nito, yung na-try sa trinay nila sa parang oven, ganun.
This rekindling widespread anti-government protests in Israel. Ceasefire
Kung ba
and
crunchy?
hostage negotiations
May part na
have
crunchy.
stalled for months, with each side blaming the other for failure to reach a deal. With an utter lack of
Pwede
trust
siya rin kasi
between
kung
Israel and
pinasukan.
Hamas, the anguish on both sides looks set to continue for some time.
Kawawa mga inosente, no?
News.
Pwede kang pumamakay ng eroplano, wala kang passport.
Kasi ano na yan, one na yan. Ay, sino pwede na umalis?
Kaya pag warlord, useless ang pera. Useless lahat.
I can now confirm
Ang mamumuno dalawa lang.
was eliminated
Either
together
langis
with other
or
senior
ginto.
terrorists in Hezbollah's Radwan
Daya mo niya
forces.
mga yan.
Ibrahim Akil had the blood
Patas
of
ng
many
gera.
innocent people on his
Nagpapalit
hands.
mo.
Israelis, Americans,
Ay,
French, Lebanese, and more. During the 1980s, Akil was a principal member of Islamic Jihad organization, Hezbollah's terror cell, that claimed the bombings of the U.S. Embassy in Beirut in April
May part siya na
1983,
crunchy.
which killed
Ito, malambot to.
63 people.
May part na
And the
malambot.
U.S.
Hindi kasi
Marine
ito
Guards
binilan sa
bombing in
araw.
October
Kumbaga
1983,
trinay talaga
which
nila
killed
dito.
241
Ito yung nabibingwit natin na pinapakain dun sa ano.
Ibrahim Akil also
Yung
directed
nakaraan
the
na nag-fishing
kidnapping
tayo.
of Americans and Germans in Lebanon. Ibrahim Akil and the Radwan commanders who were
Bakit
eliminated
in-smoke
today
lang nila ganun?
were planning
Tapos
Hezbollah's
din na
conquer
sa dryer
the
lang.
Galilee
Open.
invasion plan into
O kasi
Israeli
iba yung ano niya.
communities. These terrorists
Parang siya
planned
tingin niya
to
pa.
Dito
do
nagawa
in
to.
northern Israel what Hamas
Parang
did
tinga
in
pa na.
southern
Ako
Israel
parang tinapa na
on October 7th.
drenay
Hindi siya
lang.
ano.
Invade Israeli homes
Maganda siya
and
crunchy.
kill innocent
Yung iba.
people. At the time of the strike, Akil and the commanders of the Radwan forces were gathered underground
Basta
under a
mga
residential
ganyang
building in the
ulam.
heart of the Dhaka in Beirut.
Picture mo sa akin, sinam mo kay Patrick din na lang sa
Using
ulam.
them as human
Utangin ng
shields,
dalawa mag-asawa talaga.
they were in the middle of
Bumabawi ata
more
sila.
terror attacks against Israeli civilians.
And joining me now in studio is Dr. David Shimoni, former Israeli intelligence official, and Daniel Sheck, Director of Diplomacy at the Hostage and Missing Families Forum, as well as former Israeli ambassador to France, and I-24 News Middle East correspondent Ariel Oseran. Gentlemen, thank you for joining me tonight. Ariel, I'd like to start with you. What else do we know about Ibrahim Akil and his role in Hezbollah?